Hello you guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're working on a Fiat 500X, and the year for this car is 2016, so 0516. So we're gonna go IMO Fiat. We're gonna put the hazard lights on, and we can go automatic selection. We're gonna press the push button and we're gonna hit the read. So again, it's an AllKeysLost. I just pressed the push button to be able to read. So we're just gonna hit OK. In North America, and it's a smart key. And we're gonna generate Autel key. It's a 4A chip. And we're just gonna hit yes. So we're gonna go control unit, and we're gonna go read immobilizer password. So we turned it off, the hazard lights are on, we're just gonna press OK. So the password is right there, we're just gonna take a picture of that, so we have it for afterwards if we ever need that, but we're just gonna press OK. We're gonna go keyless systems. We're gonna have the key in our hand, and we're gonna go emo function, key learning, and the hazard lights is on, the car is off, and the code is right there. We're just gonna press OK, OK, and we need to press to put it next to the push button, and we're gonna press the unlock when it's there. So we're just gonna press OK, and we're just gonna do that. So I'm placing the key there, and I'm just doing like clicks of unlocks, and it looks like it catched it. So we heard that, and we don't need to make a next key, so we're just gonna hit no, and that's it. Key is done. So as you can see, now I'm having the key right here, and I'm pressing the push button, and the car comes to our position. So this is how you make a key for Fiat 500X. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you on the next video.